Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan HL 2.0tdi D7F with 150 horsepower in a striking blue exterior and a powerful 2-litre diesel engine. This 5-door automatic estate/jeep is loaded with comfort and safety features, from air conditioning to collision avoidance braking. With 142,000 kilometres on the clock, this vehicle is just getting started. Not only does this Tiguan come with luxury trims and stylish chrome accents, but it also boasts a comprehensive warranty and a full multi-point health and safety check. Serviced to manufacturer specifications, you can trust that you're getting a top quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website mullingarautos.ie for more information on this amazing Volkswagen Tiguan. Drive away in style and peace of mind today.